of y'all might be asking, why is he adding Bushy Park into the Santee Cooper boat landing series? Well, one could argue that it is still part of the same tributary system, the river, right? Bushy Park is a boat landing that is right at the separation of a back river freshwater side or reservoir and the saltwater side. And it gives, I don't know, I'm going to guess 1,000 yards over to Cooper River, West Branch. It's also, this is in Goose Creek, and it's also the closest saltwater, to my knowledge, to Monk's Corner, where I reside pretty close to. So if you're in Monk's Corner or up in that area around the lakes and you want to get a little bit of saltwater action, Bushy Park's a good option for you to hit. Now, just know, and I'll show you in a little while, maybe I'll put the drone up or something, but just know that people get stuck out there all the time because the silt backs up around that area, and it's gotten so bad it needs to be dredged. And if you can't get back to the boat ramp prior to low tide, you won't get out there. I've almost been stuck before in my kayak, and I knew better. So just make sure that you either stay out during that time or you come in before. So let's go check out Bushy Park.
With frost, cold night and the winter how goes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah, the end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nosebleed. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the line piece. Looking for the love inside me.
Don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding back. Tryna get me framed, throw me in cuffs. Said I attacked you, that's just a false truth. No need to argue. And yeah, I've had enough. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. You follow me anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there. I'm so scared to leave my house, so I cannot run free from this. Always being watched by you, and that's so inconsiderate. My privacy, does that exist? Probably haven't heard of it. Need to